I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what do you call 'em? Feet. Flipping your finger, don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. Hey guys, what's up? So this morning I've decided to do my third Disney Princess tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing Ariel. Most of them I've been doing their transformation. However, for this one I am going to be doing an inspired tutorial from her mermaid days. So I'm going to be using more like purpley colors, like teal colors, stuff like that. And I hope that you guys have been enjoying these so far. If you are, please let me know in the comments and give the videos a thumbs up. And let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever foundation. And this is, I believe, in the lightest color. Normally that's what I grab from most places. And I'm going to be using my Sedona Lace 928 brush. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. I think Ariel is my all-time favorite princess out of the different ones. So this is really exciting for me, and I think it's going to be really fun to do a look for her. Who is you guys' favorite princess out of all the Disney ones, or even other ones from other movies? I personally just love Disney, so these are really fun for me to film. Next up I'm going to be using my NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting that on any spots and stuff. I'm also going to be taking my It Bye Bye Under Eye and putting that under my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Sedona 928 brush and use that to blend. I love this concealer so much, you guys. The under eye, I really want to get a full size of this. I love all of the It products. So the thing I love about Ipsy and I hate about Ipsy is I find such nice brands with it, but they're almost always they're so expensive. I mean, I guess those are not super expensive, but when you used to shop in the drugstore makeup, they're pretty expensive. So next up, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. eyelid primer and just using that on my eyes. And I'm just going to blend that with my fingers. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Sedona Lace 168 color palette, and I'm going to start off by taking, I think, one of these purpley shades on an Elizabeth Mott blending brush. I think I'm going to be taking this one right here, and I'm going to use that in the outer corner of my eye. And also in the crease. I'm also going to take some of this darker one as well. Normally I don't start in the outer part of my eye, but I thought for this particular look it might work better. And I'm just going to build that up a little bit. Again, you can build this as much or as little as you would like. I'm also going to take just a little bit of this deeper matte purple and use that as well. Just to kind of add a little bit more purple. And then I'm going to come in with this lighter sparkly one and put that over it. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Bugatti's Paris eyeshadow brush and I'm going to be taking the bottom part of this palette. And I think I'm going to start with this color right here. And I'm just going to put that in the inner part of my eyes. I'm building these colors up. You guys don't have to build them up this much if you don't want to. I just think it looks nice. Once I've done that, I'm going to come back in with my blending brush and I'm going to take the purple here again and I'm going to use that to blend out some more. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of that teal color. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my little Bare Minerals and Mint. And I'm just going to get a little bit of that on my finger. And I'm just going to kind of tap that over the green. Just a little bit. Just to kind of give it a little bit more shimmer. Then I'm going to be taking my Elizabeth Mott smudger brush. I'm trying to get the colors off from yesterday. I haven't cleaned these yet. I'm going to be taking some of these two purples here and running that under my eyes. I'm only going halfway. You guys are more than welcome to go all the way. Next up, I'm going to take my Luxie 207 angled brush. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit of this like lighter skin color and using that as like a little highlight. It's just to brighten up a little bit. I'm also going to take a little bit of this color up here and use that in the inner corner as well. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Fierce Fix by Ciate London and I'm going to use that to line the top of my eye. I think I'm going to go with a thinner line because she doesn't really have super thick eyeliner. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back to show you what I did. Okay guys, so I just did like a really thin layer of black eyeliner. Like I said, she really doesn't have a whole lot of eyeliner on during her like mermaid pictures. So I just wanted to keep it thin and just add a little bit. Next up, I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to be taking my Ulta Beauty Amped Lash Mascara and using that on the tops and the bottom lashes. Once I've done that, I'm going to curl them again. The thing I love most about that mascara is how quickly it dries down. It makes it so much easier to curl again without getting it everywhere. After that, I'm going to be putting a little bit of stuff in my brows. This is the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint. I'm not going to use too much of it today, but just a tiny bit. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my It Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder and putting that all over my face. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Hoola Benefit Bronzer and I'm going to be using that to bronze up. As you guys may or may not know, this is my favorite bronzer. It's a little bit dark on me, but once you blend it out, it looks amazing. Promise I don't leave it like that. So next up, I need to grab my beauty blender because I've forgotten it. Once I've got it on, I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it in. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Quirky. And I'm going to be taking an Ulta Beauty blush brush and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. As we discussed in the last tutorial, the Disney princesses all have a nice blush. After that, I'm going to be taking my Ulta Beauty Illuminator and I'm going to be taking a Luxie 524 T brush and using that to highlight. Once I've done that, I'm just going to use my fingers and just kind of blend everything. Then I really wanted to incorporate Ariel's red hair somewhere in this tutorial. So I'm going to be taking my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick and I'm going to be using that on my lips. I don't recommend wearing this with white because it does kind of get everywhere sometimes, but I really love this lipstick. This, you guys, is a finished look. I hope that you guys have really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know if there's another princess you want to see next. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys!